Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Electronic Secret. Today video is about how to fix broken USB port of a TV or LED TV or LCD TV. Watch my video complete. In today's video I will show you how to repair a Samsung TV USB port which is not working and is broken. So this is a Samsung 32-inch LCD TV and you can see that its USB port is broken. Here viewers, watch that its all 4 pins are broken and there is no plastic cap which is between the connectors. So I have opened the back case. Now I will open the main board of the LCD TV. Guys, subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet and like my videos. Thank you. After opening the screws of the main board, now I will remove the LVDS cable and other power connectors. I will put the multimeter on the continuity mode. One probe to the ground and other I will find the negative ground of the 4 pins. Viewers, USB connector have 4 pins. One is ground and the opposite is 5 volt. So remember the ground point. Now you need a extension of a USB cable. It is a new USB extension cable. I will cut it from the center. And show you how to use it. I am cutting the cable from the center. Remove the covering and in the inner you can see that there are 4 wires: red, black, green, white. Its connections and voltage are mentioned on the picture shown on your screen. Red is for 5 volt, black is for ground, green is for data negative and white is for data positive. So you only need to remember one ground point of the 4 pins. I am now modifying my back case to insert the USB cable. It is a speaker space, so I will easily insert the modified cable and tie a knot inside the plastic frame so it cannot move outside. I will knot it later. Now I will solder the 4 wires. Mark your USB connectors when you have earlier checked it with the help of a multimeter. Remember only in the negative point, because if you know the negative point you can all solder it. So firstly I will solder the negative point with the black wire. The next wire I will solder is green. The next white and the last is red. There is another hint. The negative or black wires and red wires are both opposite, connected to the outer points of the jack. My wire is connected. You can see that black, green, white and red. You can see it. Now I will screw it again on the case. Put the extra things on the side. Place the main board on its position and tighten the screws. Connect all the LVD's cable and other power connector and speaker jacks, etc. Properly place it on its position. Tighten all the 4 screws of the main board. Then attach all the cable connectors, LVDS cable and power supply connector. I have connected all the cables. Now I will put the back case on and turn it. Carefully place the back side because now you have connected the USB extension cable with it. Here you can see the USB connector I have soldered inside the main board. Now I will attach a flash USB drive and turn the LCD TV. The TV is powered off. Now I will open the menu. Watch for the media play option. Here is. I will OK it, press it. Now I will play the video file. Here friends, you can see that our USB is working now. So hope you have liked my video. Goodbye friends.